The arc welding. Welding is a metallurgical bond on metal alloy joints which is carried out in a melted of the liquid state. Welding is divided into several groups, namely liquid welding, pressure welding, solder welding, and others. While the second classification distinguishes the existence of groups such as electric welding, chemical welding, mechanical welding, and so on. There are various types of the welding used in the metal fusion process, namely carbide welding, electric welding, friction welding, thermite welding, laser welding, and electron beam welding. The welding process involves steel plates made of iron and carbon crystal according to their microstructure, with a certain shape and direction. Then some of the metal plates are heated until they melt. When the edges of the metal plates are joined together, they form a joint. Generally, the welding process is also added with a connecting material such as wire of the welding rod. When the mixture has cooled down, the welding wire molecules that were part of the other parts now stick together. The welding process is not the same as soldering in that the base material does not melt to solder. The joint occurs by melting a soft metal, such as tin, which seeps into the pores on the surface of the material to be joined. After the tin solder is cooled, a connection occurs. The difference between hard and soft solder is the working temperature, where the limit for the two processes is at a temperature of 450 degrees Celsius. In welding, the temperature used are much higher, between 1050 to 1060 degrees Celsius. Explosion welds are used to attach an anti-rust coating to ordinary metal. The method can be described as follows. If two plates A and B will be welded, the two plates were stacked, and outside A was placed a layer of the ignited explosive. Plate A will be pressed hard against B and both plates will melt at the contact point. After several hundred seconds of the shock wave of the explosion is gone, the material will cool down and parts A and B are already attached. Welding is the process of joining a metal which consists of several types, the process of which is carried out in a specific manner. Welding can be done in a variety of ways so that it is not focused on just one thing that makes welding studiable and practiced in a wide variety of ways.